Hey kids, do you want to be strong and have more fun and playtime? Then taste the rainbow. So many of our colorful foods come right from our own planet. Once a seed is put into the ground and watered, sunshine causes these colorful, yummy foods to grow for us to eat. How cool is that? Our rainbow of foods comes in many, many colors. We have red foods such as strawberries, watermelon, and tomatoes. There's orange foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, squash, and papayas. There's yellow foods such as bananas, corn, and lemons. Some green foods are kiwi, lettuce, broccoli, and green beans. There's also blue and purple fruits such as grapes, blueberries, eggplant, and cabbage. There's just so many delicious foods to choose from. How many of these yummy foods have you tried? Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, what about foods like ice cream, candy, cake, or cookies? Well, they're not part of the rainbow, but they are okay to eat sometimes. You don't want to eat them too much, though. You may feel like playing and have a lot of energy after eating these foods for a few minutes, but eating too much can cause an upset tummy, for you to have to take medicine, or for you to need a nap right in the middle of playtime. That's just no fun at all. So whether you're at school lunch or at the grocery store with your parents, you get to choose foods from the rainbow. You can also help your friends and parents choose foods from the rainbow. You might even get to help your parents make a nice colorful meal at home. Let your parents and friends know that rainbow foods makes their bodies strong. It is so fun being helpful. How many of you have helped a parent or friend pick a rainbow food to eat? Foods from the rainbow makes our bodies nice and strong and ready to play. A body with colorful foods from the rainbow makes a body full of energy and ready to play. So how many colors will you eat today?